Now, when I go out to photograph these vehicles and video them, whenever I do any close-ups, like so, let me just see, and turn that around and do any close-ups. You can always see bits of dust in the switches, even when Lance has cleaned them. It's, you know, static electricity and so on. It always finds its way back. A lot of the time when you're dusting these vents, you dust it, goes into the atmosphere, you put your hoover away and it all settles back down. There you go. Let's just have a look at this. So let's just say, just take a couple of photographs of them, so as you know. But this ColorCoral, now it's really weird. If you remember, or if you're as old as me and you remember, what was it, Play-Doh and Potty Putty, I think I had when I was a kid. You look at that. It looks all wet and gooey. However, let's just get that out like so. You see there, but all you have to do is just slap it on like so, and squash it in, and then pull it off, and it's left. It leaves the switches and round the side all nice and clean. Here we go. And it's there you go. Just really work it in. Whoops, I'm doing the but that's gets rid of all the dirt. And also, just to show you, here we go. It's rather, but it's so good that here we go. Just wrap it all around the steering wheel, and it's you'd think it would never come off and end up all stuck to your steering wheel, but look, somehow it all it's like something off Alien. There we go. Just all comes back. And then that steering wheel now, when I get this off my hands, although even on my hands it soon clears, you know, it doesn't leave your hands all horrible, but it's just, and you can do it in seconds really, rather than having a little brush and a hoover and it blasting away and having to plug it into the mains, which we always struggle here, and an extension lead. It just, and right in the nooks and crannies there, and these are always a mess at the bottom. You just whip it round, roll it round like so. Makes a real good job. It takes no time at all. That's it. And then, oops, where have I put it? And then it all goes away. I'll just give you a quick close-up of these things. Put it on 60. Now, I mean, this was only quickly, so it's never going to be perfect, but all you people, all my followers that go to all these car shows and try to get everything perfect, just get a tub of that. You can't plug a Hoover in a field, but you can whip that out of your boot and get it all done. So that's it. So I'll put a link in the description anyway. I think it's really good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.